Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to display your fleet on the map on the VesselFinder application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Here, go to the All Vessels button at the upper left corner of the screen and click to the arrow and step to the My Fleet option, the third. And you display your fleet. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.